Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct the toy plane. In previous video, we have completed the first part. I'll double click this, the fuselage. Okay, now back to the assembly. Now we are going to make the other part, the second part. Okay, so I'll double click this. So we are going to generate this part, the horizontal tail. Okay, now go back to the assembly. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. Select XY plane. Here take the circle and take ellipse. Select the center point and make a straight ellipse. Okay. Now go to dimension. Define this vertical height as 60. Okay. And the horizontal will be 27. Okay. It is taking the half of the dimensions. Now finish sketch. And here take extrude. I'll take extrude symmetric and take distance of 8 mm. Press OK. Now here select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and make one rectangle profile. Go to coincident, select the center point and here select the green point, the center point. Go to dimension, define this as 8. Okay, and define this distance as 15. Okay, now here go to rectangle once again, 2-point rectangle and make one straight rectangle. Go to dimension, define this as 80. Okay, and here go to coincident, select the center point and here select the center. Now here define this, go to dimension, define this as 8. Okay, here we will define this as 25. It will come outside. Okay, now here finish sketch and take extrude, select both the profiles. Here take symmetric extrude and click on cut. So this will be of 8 mm or you can take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Okay. Now here go to the fillet command. Take fillet radius of 4. Select edge. Select this, this, this and this. Rotate. Okay, this edge is not selected. So this will be the final file. Press OK. Okay. Now here we will define the light red color. I'll take light red. Enter. Now we are going to save this part. Go to save. Here you can see the previous part, fuse lag, and this will be the second part. This will be horizontal tail. Okay, and save. So this was the second part. Now for the first part you can watch the previous video, and for the third and the more parts keep watching. Thank you.